Good morning, Kublai Ibaro. Good morning. Kini ka day 2 dyan ka trip sa Scotland. Edinburgh, not Edinburgh.
Correct.
Ninyalit ka ng taga-sini siya po. Kawig ka, tsaka kapagpaw hapos siya. Diba? What that village we're gonna go? Dean Village. Oh, Dean Village. Ninyalit siya, Dean Village ng taga-sini. Tamang ninyalit pa what breakfast track. Kani ka lenti ka ba niya ng tahan siya nakapas pa kasi tanan mo. Oh, katay ka Scotland Moray Field. Katay na Swift ka one concert hantay. Scotland Moray Field. Kalenti yan. Nabi ko kops na higing strong prepare ha. Higing prepare ban Ireland prepare to hani po Scotland Edinburgh. Hindi mo ang Edinburgh ito kip siya ikataka Edinburgh ngayon siya ang Edinburgh dahil ngalawan sini ngaruan tangtip ang rin Edinburgh.
I think they turned it into apartments. I have no idea what it is.
Did it turn into apartments?
It's actually stunning, but I don't know what it is.
Look at that. Yes, it is stunning. Wow, pagkisibitin na naman talaga yung apartment. We're walking and eating. Strolling through the street of Dean Village. Yang ka Dean Village tang ba kamjingay. Kamjingay dapat na city. Ya di kejan. Menjing kenja. Masih boleh men steps po beja. Look at that.
Beautiful car in my life.
You have never been here?
No, I've never been in this particular spot.
Ainsley
Place.
Compare kan lihat nak Ireland.
It's very
Calm and
yeah, it's very
posh.
calm and it's very.
And girl, you don't have issue with mad of not getting coffee or something like that.
No, gal, I'm
No.
fine. You're worried about me.
No, yeah. Well, I'm just checking.
No, I'm
Because I know, like for example, yeah, she's definitely like, I need my coffee.
No,
So-
I'll get coffee when I get there, but I'm grand.
Perfect.
I'm feeling, is she worried about me? And I'm
No,
like,
no,
"You're
no.
worried about
Just
me."
I'm worried about the morning person coffee. I'm
Oh,
always
yeah,
worried. Ying brio. Miri ying brio. Siapa do? Dah siya terang do. Pangkajak jeng ni parlong nomor bakal kreat hindiat. Teman-teman setiap isi bete kam kreat syu. Ying for sale.
Huh?
The house is for sale. We should have some. Yan, minta ka ni ka Irish Embassy. Po Scotland. The houses are like not beautiful. Look at that. And look at this place. Oh, it's too good. Now, girl, I think I need to get a picture. Oh, I'm a very picture girl.
Yes, girly.
I'm a very picture girly. Look, there's two girls having a cup of
There's two
coffee
girls.
and a cup of tea.
And I could two guys from Ireland having a laugh. Look at you, you're green.
Me and the green. Representing Ireland.
Oh, you're like representing.
And I just love the structure. I love the city. I like Khot ka Dean Bridge, ka Dean Village, ka nantang hindi po. Dean Bridge. So ngini here na siya Dean Village manta. What is this? What is it?
Quite a lot of like an emotional low. Like it's you saying.
Looks, isn't it like something Egyptian or something very old? Yeah, that looks like a sacrificing something. Yeah. Gonna look na siya, siya po ka. Dean Village, pwede internet. It's good.
Bit of a lift. Give me, yeah, no, it's lovely now. You get down here. Yeah, give me a bit of a boost now. I'll down it now.
That's very nice. Finally, I don't like a village. We just literally here. Look at the houses.
Yeah, they're so pretty.
Oh, visitors only. I think, is this like a hotel or something?
Oh, I don't know.
This is the very famous selfie places, yeah?
I think so.
Yeah, look. Ini kedai jaga ke famous Instagram. Dean Village baca internet sa. Ini ya keleng kini ke Dean's Village mentama. So kejing buan nama kini bagai famous tema. Look at the number of tourists.
Yes.
I told you, like, if you come here in the morning, it'd be good. If you come in the afternoon, wow, I can't imagine. Instructions now. You can walk with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looking fab.
Good girl. Ani. Kecil itu nak ni. Kani kedai tang hadin jong ke city center. Tang 4 minit na city center pet kecil itu nak. So beautiful. Look at this.
Gorgeous.
I like the colors. I like.
The red. The red is
Yeah. So authentic.
You've got another word.
We get another word. Heritage.
Heritage.
Authenticity. It's beautiful, beautiful, yeah. But you can see that we. Hamla ban bentur baki ni ki building ki berem ki nak internet ada kan ingat ni. Mani. Oh, he was. Pikating alay watch on YouTube. That is wild. Because happening has city ma. Papajing Khot. It's so clean, like the water in the middle of a city, and
you can walk along.
you can walk along, and you can just. And the best thing is you can just sit and relax by the waterside. But it's Papajing Khot. We can beri dang ya disha, dang ya chill. We can take a side. Oh, I love this view. Look at this. Oh, the view. My goodness.
Oh my God.
It's such a good holiday. What are you trying to do? You're trying to climb?
Girl, what are you doing?
It's kini ki apartment sa katuga village ka connect with sa kini ki apartment. Pai kajing internet kalong pair ba. Bun ka sien ka bangala le cham ni sa po Edinburgh. Ngam po jupoy ni ka Dean Village da ha Instagram kan ka pau nam ba. Pai kajing internet check jakat pai. Pit nang tu itu jaka ba pen ining kong iba bun ki tourist ipherum tu pindawan nang ne pada gila dai ki apartment ame si shana mar banyo I kani ka village ha pada ka city ma ko mga pong like wherever you walk, like look at the building, look at the heritage.
You're right.
And
Live in the moment. 100%.
just live for the moment. I just love the houses here. Then Glasgow, like
Yeah, I think Glasgow. Yeah, like. What's that song in Glasgow? It's been ages, like, and
it's as nice as Edinburgh. Somebody that kan iyang mani ka di school ki Khot ka ESMS Unique Family Independent School for Boys and Girls. Bit kan kini ka Scotland. And yeah, let me think. Look at this car. It's so small. Yun nila yung nahang ni kanmenta. Piet na na yan. Nila irong na ha, ginigan kilam jing tapi ki pair bahanday. Baca kita beda umaw. Nang tangi long mak ya pair habani ki jongi. Ngistung dan ngim ya si ông đơn khá cũng nên thấy xin đi đam bị khá bà ha ta qua kỹ thuật bị bắt đây thật ra thì là cái dòng mà cái bà hệ ba cái này cái này cemetery cái bà hệ ba thằng cũng tôi bắt đen ya no ya lấy tờ sắp bộ cả modern art gallery cái tăng hành ni hajan hi tambah at least ni on rok hành ni là mi nang ni na po you cái cemetery là mi yang dite cái modern art gallery. Ini nang kaya po modern art gallery. Malawan siya ko sini siya po Edinburgh. Lai sabi ni receive ng basa still. Ngadang komentari sini kong kamagawan ng ani modern art gallery ng ka Dean's Village ka paunam ha na po Instagram kampat paunam rete. Men sure ti po bangawan nga. Entah bekas Instagram pala pau na. Tu ke Dean Village ngarang ye mentah. Pakai internet shisha ni, internet shisha. Nak internet shisha pi. Ini room mentah apa kan ni ke art gallery mah. Kan ni ke Edinburgh modern art gallery. Kapal lok jangan kadang dan Nadine ngalaya cek masuk man. Ini modern art gallery. There will be no miracle here. Yeah, cái museum person gì bạn phải kinh điển tangba ngam để internet than đấy dan ai và cầm long trong kia như màu như done marble dan hi cái history hen take a fishing boat Ian Hamilton nè cái artwork trong two glow slide peak he don't give a stomach like a history mo modern art gallery okay ringed off ni pakai cái kini cái camera cái rong cái building ngay tenat pala na ni like hai nak siya po Prince Street pakai Edinburgh Castle sa jing internet na surok Teka castle ada wan arsin tang kadang ngaklam late show men tang kasin kabayrung hati ka castle long kapoy hadu live £100 kabamut lai £1,000 spai tinggal ada wan arsin so ngaklam ngam das ngudon kam shu ban late bon bawan image sin but si sin pada bawan me kahamia la ya wan ba ingat kita pet ko view sa paghibam Taking to Edinburgh Castle. Look at view. Tenat pelat. Ni lah ya dep bam. Di hang ni ngajeng pecik kami ke fountain. What fountain is it? Rose's Fountain. Hang pergi ke Edinburgh Castle. Ketika castle kadai ke ngam tip up history. Ngamut selat tambah. Ngada one day castle bang ngam history so ngam tip up history so. Katai gadan kita kena bentai history katai kadai ke Edinburgh Castle kena fort kasi kena. Menu di tourist ki bawan hang ni katai ke Edinburgh Castle di alam kan. There we go. Nang ni pedang yang like no shwasha kawai pakka jaka. Bang ampit katai nama katai ke gaik jong bây giờ cái đây ha lọt bị trong tiêu máu nè lôm cùng đây phải chỉnh y hơn cái tên là sẽ kiện gel bắp he trong sa hạt tram như vậy sắc người ta tin chắc đã sẽ bisa mình có phải lọt trong đó cái này cái quay cái balong advantage là đang để phải chỉnh và sa hay ra kamu poi keleng ini jaga ki bangam depangan poi ru teman-teman wan bakal massage ni ketik hai ki jaga kita juga keleng explore ki jaga ki bang dan kita explore jeng ya lek kita ke travel nanti balik jang nunu ke bentar jong ke Edinburgh ki kum jo be ki ning ki sang kum jo itu lah long ki rong ki rim ki ni di tenat pelat it's looking the same but everywhere. Tega BMW plate. I think that's a BMW.
Yeah.
Ila po yang di Kajaka, Katanga shore. Then is it a water shore? Did you say waterfront? Water something? That's why they call it the shore.
Oh, I love this.
But look, this is an old building and this is a new building, but they just color the same thing like new build, but really they looks like they're just painting.
Yeah,
they're just drawing it. Like or just keep it done. They just drop it down.
Yeah. It's like a
Then you like ni storage area. Take you. Di storage area kan. Te ni ka perlu ngau kapsa kin hapo kasak mencatat sa Edinburgh ta klawan pino sapo. Klawan pino sa Ireland kan tambah jaga pakan wan ralut kitiar season wan rap dah kabun ni storage kin soman bawan Edinburgh ka rak kandiat kan kitiar. Yeah, what? 1139. Girl, I found it. Bernadette. 1139. free này. Nhiều quạt sạch được nha. Bây giờ mình beri buang ni kan. Kita. Finally la dap shemi kitiar tinggal Shanghai ni hatram ni lai pai ba kitram shane. Ha kitram shane Edinburgh am ginong check tiket kidon behang ni hapo ki kitram. Boshi tu kapla din sini yang nak Malaysia. Nah hotel ni pun dengan sikai biak. Jan mir beng ngilak pai hotel ngilak that ngile yang bilik bam na ha ini i restoran badan hajan ke hotel hi kat pengidang yat pada oi mami ya poster. Entap deng li bam ada ini biryani jai ngandalai bam sha no at the end ngalai bam ada Indian meal bet kabam India te pat ngawat je kop ngabang tang step pada ke flight ni benlek sha Dublin bet kemat tang sam thiap ha te tangkat tu ke trip jonga ba jong ni ke parlok jang ha Scotland kalak good te ngangai ba pia share pia enjoy ya ka video jongi kumbangi rungila enjoy ya ka girls trip hadu bangin daya syambah away pat ka video ku play shibu ni pi baro play kerku ya pi bye bye baik kumbang ang Dublin weather marsen boy slap back kum ila enjoy sunshine bahagia asli pangidan apa Scotland dawan pai sya Dublin badala slap back how Dublin tagadangi daya yo sngi long kumba klep biet ken marbam ji yo sngi adam slap kumon daerah Dublin bye bye take care bro ha bye bye